So over here, you can see that I have a report. And let's say what I want to do is I want to print out this report. So if you want to do that, you need to have the report that you want to print out opened up. And then what you can do is you can go around onto the file menu. Then you can go to print. So once you do that, you can see that the preview of the print actually pops up. And you can go around and navigate around the different pages as well. So right now you can see that the page size is small. So the report is actually divided into 2 pages. But over here you can see that the page size that we selected is letter right now. But what I want to do is print it out as A4. So once you do that, you can see that all of the content are now in one single page. So you can see that the navigation is not there anymore. You can also go around, print it out as a portrait document or a landscape document right here. So the format is up to you. So over here you have an option to print out specific pages over here as well, or the entire project. But this is more for the data printing. But over here we are printing the visual report, so we don't need to worry about these. So for example, I'm not going to choose the physical printer, but I'm going to select out a virtual printer right here. Let me select Microsoft Print to PDF right here. And accordingly, the settings change out as well. So you can go around, choose the number of copies that you want to print over here from the top, and then hit the print button. So once you do that, what happens is that it starts printing out the document. And since I'm using a virtual printer, it is actually asking me to save a file. So if I were to go around over here and say sample print right here, it'll be saved out as a PDF file instead of printing. So you can see that it is actually going around and printing out the file right there. And the file has been actually saved. So if I were to go around over here and drag this out, you can see that this is what we have right here. Double click on it and it opens up the sample print right here. And if it would be printed, you can see that 4 copies of this report would be printed just like this. So with the printer settings right here, if I were to go around onto file, and if I were to go to print right here, you can also go around onto page setup. And you can go around, change out the percentage and the size of the overall content as well. You can go around over here and fit out everything into a single page just like this as well. Or you can go around onto page setup right here, change out the paper size right here as well. You can adjust out the margin. Let's say for example, in the left side, you want 1 inch of gap right here. You can adjust that out if you want as well. And you can also go around and enable out header right here. Add in the contents as you like in the header right here, just like this, or add in page number and actual work and other details as well. You can go around and add that in, and it adds in these data as you can see, just like this. Similarly, you can do the same for footer right here, add in data. And then if you were to press OK, they will be added around over here as well, like there's the completion rate and so forth. So everything can be added around over here in the printed report as you like, just like this as well. So that is how you can print out reports from Microsoft Project as you like. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.